Welcome to Kim's Art Alchemy, and a heartfelt thank you to April's amazing art angels. Thank you so much for your blessings. It's Talent Tuesday with my amazing friend Marie-Louise and myself. She would have been just before me and had an amazing video that you'll need to check out. The link to her video will be in the description below. In this video, I'm going to show a few things that I've learned from dusting, and this trick here definitely comes from the owner of these molds, which is Julie Cuts and Pouring Your Heart Out. She demonstrated using plastic in order to keep the mica powder off the main body of your form. So I just grabbed a sandwich bag, traced it out. Of course, make sure that you wipe off the Sharpie marks from the edge so that that doesn't transfer onto the mold. And here I am dusting with this amazing Supershift color that I got from DidSpade, and it shifts a dark blue to this light aquamarine blue to a purple, and it is fantastic. And because of that, I'm actually choosing colors for this piece that go with the shift of the mica powder, purple and blue. And then I put a green background on because I'm doing flowers. So watch here, there it is, the DidSpade Blue Iris Supershift. All the products that I use will be in the description below. I am doing a two-part bloom with this, and part of the inspiration for this bloom is Resin Art. So make sure that you check out her channel. I believe her name is Fahima, and she is so creative and does some amazing stuff. I'm going to just remark here, really make sure that you take your time and clean the little parts of your mold there. See, I'm really making sure that the chains are individualized and not leaving that blue mark there. That's going to be important because that's the top part of your coaster. So I think that's basically it. I'm going to let you just watch this video, and I will pop in right at the end. Well, I'm popping back in. What you don't know is that I already have the clear base on the mold. And in a minute, you're gonna see me drop a paper towel over this. And the reason is that I have loose mica powder from the chain that has floated across the top of my piece. You can't really see it, but I promise you it's there. So if you drop the paper towel on, it'll pick up all those loose particles. So that's a great tip for you.
Diving deep into the waves, babe. I know that you wanted to. It's a risk worth taking, even if it's over soon. Want you skin tight, close like denim. Come on, love me right. When it's ending, I'll be fine. I got your body close to mine. Call me if it's only for tonight. only for tonight. Call me if it's only for tonight. Your hands on my body, 'cause my body's what you like. I'm down if you're down to get it now. Call me, baby, if it's only for tonight. If it's only for tonight. Call me, baby, if it's only for tonight. If you need somebody, you know I'm the one for you. I won't tell nobody. Keep it on the down low, just us two. Want you skin tight, close like denim. Come on, love me right. When it's ending, I'll be fine. I got your body close to mine. Call me if it's only for tonight. Your hands on my body, 'cause my body's what you like. I'm down if you're down to get it now. Call me, baby, if it's only for tonight. If it's only for tonight. Call me, baby. If it's only for tonight. Call me if it's only for tonight. Your hands on my body, 'cause my body's what you like. I'm down if you're down to get it now. Call me, baby, if it's only for tonight. If it's only for tonight. Call me, baby, if it's only for tonight. These kids don't play. Get dressed up for the night at the break of dawn. No eat, love, pray. Take a suicide joyride just to prove you're wrong. With the blackout night clouds rolling along. Maybe we were born this way. Locked up in our dreams, no need to survive. So I just get on my knees and pray. Yeah, we're happy and we're cool as ice, suffering in paradise. These kids don't play. On a tightrope, blindfold, sleepwalk through the drama. They look insane. Got the devil in their eyes, so you better not tell your mama. In the blackout night lights, dance in the rain. Maybe we were born this way. Locked up in our dreams and we're paying the price. So I just get on my knees and pray. Yeah, we're sucking up the melted ice, suffering in paradise. Turn me up, I wanna feel the glow of the lights on my face in the stereo. Break it up, break it up, break it up, break it up. It's hard when you chase the pain all night. You're getting close, but you feel the strain. Hold on yourself, it's hard to maintain. Like trying to build a fire in the pouring rain. Maybe we were born this way. Locked up in our dreams, no need to survive.
Time for the final reveal. So I put TLP Algae as a backing on this, and it's such a cool color. It shifts green, blue, pink, purple. Pretty similar colors to the chain that I have, just a lot more subtle. But I want to see what's going on with the bloom. Are we ready? Ooh. Wow. Oh my gosh, and look at that back. How cute. Oh, it's adorable. Oh, I love it, I love it, I love it. And look at the chain. That chain, this color shift, the Supershift, is so darn cool. Goes blue to like an aqua, a dark blue to an aqua to a purple to kind of a pink. Oh, that is really sweet. That is so cute. And look how these kind of nested in, the purple inside the blue. Yep, I'm liking it. What are your thoughts? I hope you like it as much as I do. And I'm gonna bring you in. That is so cute. I love the leaves in the back. All right, well, thank you again for being here. Till next time, bye for now.
Yeah.